Hey there. On today's episode, we're going to be giving tips for recruiting the best employees for your organization. Employee referrals. When in-house employees are given the opportunity to recommend candidates for a vacant role, based on their knowledge of your organization, they will not only recommend people that they think are qualified, but also those that they believe will fit in with the work culture, hence saving you the stress of trying to find that perfect candidate. Post vacancies on social profiles. Although LinkedIn is the main social networking platform that people think of when they are looking for work, it doesn't mean you should ignore other sites like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. You can use these platforms to post creative job adverts and even share industry news, thus attracting the right candidates. Job descriptions. When drafting out job descriptions, creatively craft the details, focusing on conciseness and clarity. It should be drafted with the exact skill sets needed so that the right candidate is easily attracted. Prioritize candidate experience. Candidate experience is the first interaction a potential employee has with your organization and its culture.
Please sit down, or don't. I don't care.
If their experience with your organization is exceptionally positive, even candidates who aren't accepted will have great things to say about engaging with you. Seek and embrace diversity.
Hey! Hello there.
What's up, dude? Glad to see there's another brother in this stubborn place.
So,
A diverse team is a major competitive advantage, and building one starts with the recruiting process. Workplace diversity encourages creativity and innovation because every team member brings a variety of backgrounds, experiences, and perspectives to the table. Those unique viewpoints have a huge effect on your business and workforce, impacting every aspect of your company. Tune in next week for more tips for recruiting the best employees, and also please don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.